I'm Coraline from Natural V. It's your favorite. Today we are going to do a fruit leather. And I'm so glad to have you in here with me. And I will tell you that I do like fruit, but I have to pick the certain kinds of fruit to eat because some fruit cause my blood sugar to go up. And so what I'm doing, I'm going to do a strawberry fruit leather. But I want to just show you, the other day I did do a blackberry. And like I said, it was my first time experiencing, uh, and this one was a little crispy. And so I think what it wasn't the temperature, it was just, putting it in there and letting it. I did this for about 14 hours. So 14 hours is just a little bit too much. So I also did a raspberry leather, fruit leather last night. And I'm going to show you this one. Like I said, I used the same temperature, but the time limit was different. And see how that is more, it can bend it more. All right. So what I'm going to do now is a strawberry fruit leather. So I wanted to show y'all how to do it so that you can do it. And I'm going to process it in my dehydrator. So what I did, I went on and blend the strawberry up. It's about 2 pounds. The strawberries up so we can, kind of speed through the process. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stir it up right now. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's thick. I wanted y'all to see that. And so what I'm going to do, there's some seasoning I add. So I'm going to add some lemon juice, and this is fresh lemon juice that I juiced. So I'm going to use about a tablespoon of that lemon juice and put that in there. All right. And then I'm going to use a little bit of salt because salt kind of brings the flavor out. Okay, that's that. And you can add sugar if you want to, but I don't use the sugar, the natural sugar that a lot of people use. But what I will do, I'm just going to use a little bit of the organic monk fruit. All right. So I'm just going to, a couple of drops. That's about 10 drops. And if I need some more, I will add more. So I'm just going to stir that up. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to taste it and see what it tastes like. If I need to add any more sugar, any sweetener. Oh, that is delicious. Oh, really? That is really good. Okay, so we're just going to go forward with this. So I already prepared my trays. And this is my dehydrated tray, parchment paper. And this is about, I guess, 4 cups. So this tray is going to, I think I'm going to put about 2 cups on here because I'm going to show you something, okay? 1, 2, okay. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to spread it out. And I want it kind of thick, all right? It's especially around the edges, because seem like the edges, they dehydrate a whole lot faster than the inner part. Okay, that looks good. Okay, all right. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the dehydrator, all right? And I put it at the top because heat rises. Right, yeah. Let me see. Make sure. Okay. So I got it a little crooked. All right, here we go. All right, so that one is there. Okay. And now I'm going to do another one. And like I said, I already have them prepared. The trays prepared. So here we go. That's 1 cup. And that's about 3/4 of a cup. So we still have a little bit left. All right. And I'm going to measure that out, press that out a little bit. Because we want it to be nice and flexible, a lot. And now if you want to make it crispy, you can. But I just wanted it to be a little bit more pliable, that it can bend. Okay, so I got this one. All right, so we're going to put this one in also at the top. All right, now got another tray. Okay, so with this, I'm going to use the spatula here and just put all of that on this tray. This will be a smaller one, but the thing is, they'll all be dehydrated on the same temperature and everything. Okay, and the same length of time. All right, so that's that. Okay, so I'm gonna take my spoon again. Let me just get the rest of this out of here. Don't wanna. Okay, put that there. All right, so now this will be a smaller one. But we're still doing the same thing. Okay, you're gonna go with that. And I try to make them, square as much as possible, because I like to cut them and make them in strips. All right. So we're going to put this one. This is the last one. We'll put this in here as well. Okay. And so what I'm going to do, put my top on it, and I turn it on, and I'm going to dehydrate this for maybe about, I'm going to say 6 hours. And then, so right now it says 10, and I'm going to the temperature. I'm going to I'm going to dehydrate it on 120. Okay, got that. And so I'm just going to let it dehydrate. And so I'll just go back and check just to make sure it's at the right texture. So thank you for being with me today. I hope you try this recipe. Please share your comments below, and like and subscribe. All right. And we'll have more recipes coming forward. All right. Love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.